Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has broken down the support of this bearish pattern and also the support of this rising wedge pattern as well. And you can see right now it is confirming this breakdown by retesting the previous support as a resistance of this rising wedge and also this bearish pattern as well. But shorting Bitcoin here, even after this breakdown, will be very risky, and I'll tell you why I'm saying that. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared in the previous month. For example, the total number of trades were 75 out of 75, 65 were 62 were successful and 13 were unsuccessful. And I've also shared the links of all trades in this report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trade, then you can just click on the link. It will take you to the chart, and over there I've also shared the different screenshots, like how the price line entered the buying zone, reverse bullish, hit the sell target. So you can just click on the link. It will take you to the trading view, and if you have at least a free account there, then you can just click this play button and it will show you how the price line reverse bullish after entering the buying zone and hit the sell targets. Right now we are watching the chart of JUV token, and right now you can see after entering the buying zone how it has reached the sell targets. Now let's start the analysis of Bitcoin and move to the charts. And first of all, let me show you this weekly time frame. Here we have completely broken down this red line, that is the exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame. That is a very critical, and we are still inside this up channel. And for example, if we will test the support of the channel, then it will be approximately here at $34,700, and such corrections we have been facing previously as well. Like we had a rally, we had a correction, then we touched the resistance, and again we dropped the support. And after dropping here, we had a rally, we had a correction, and again we reached the support. So right now, after hitting this support second time, by the way, it is also a kind of double bottom as well. We are having a rally, and now we are having a correction. Now for example, if I place this Fibonacci tool here from this low to this high, then we can see we are almost at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That can be a potential reversal area, because this is a golden ratio, and most of the times the price line moves up or moves down from here. Now let's move to the 4-hourly time frame, and this was the bearish pattern that we were watching yesterday. And now we can see that we have broken down the support of this bearish pattern, and now we are retesting the resistance, support as a resistance. And on the daily time frame, we were moving in this rising wedge. We have broken down this 50 simple moving average on the daily time frame, and we have also broken down the support of this rising wedge, and now we are moving up to retest the previous support as a resistance. That can be the confirmation for the breakdown. But still we have a very nice support of $39,500. It has been breaking as a nice support here, as a nice support here, and a resistance here as well. So previously it has been breaking as a strong support and resistance, $39,500. Therefore, unless it is not broken down, we can expect that there is a still possibility that the price line can re-enter the rising wedge pattern. And if we take a look at the oscillators, even the RSI is now giving us the hidden bullish divergence. Like you can see, price line is forming a higher low than previous low. Still it is forming a higher low, and if we take a look at the RSI, it is forming lower than previous low, and stochastic is also forming lower than previous low. Therefore, even though we have broken down the support of this rising wedge and this bearish pattern, I would suggest not to short Bitcoin here, because we have a hidden bullish divergence, and most of the time it works. It is not necessary it will work, but most of the times it works. And we also have the support of the $39,500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.